Solve the equation below. Which of the following is true? X over 5 equals x over 9 plus 8. So we can make that 8 over 1 so that this is actually three fractions. And then I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by the common denominator for those three fractions, which would be 45. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the left side by 45 and multiply the right side by 45. So 45 times x over 5 is 9x because the 45 over 5 reduces to 9. So we have 9x equals. And then on the right side, I'm going to distribute my 45 to each of the two fractions. So 45 times x over 9, well, the 45 over 9 is going to reduce to a 5, so that's 5x. And then 8 times 45, I could do that in my head because 8 times 40 is 320, plus 8 times 5, which is 40. So 320 plus 40 is 360. And then subtract 5x from both sides. So I have 4x equals 360. Divide both sides by 4, which is the same as dividing by 2 twice. So to do this in my head, I would do 360 divided by 2 is 180, divided by 2 again is 90. So in this problem, I have exactly one solution. So I can eliminate C and D that say there are two solutions. And then I'm going to look through each of these lists and looking for 90, and I see it right here. Okay, so my answer is B.